In this video, I'll show you how to fix internet keeps disconnecting while gaming. Now first what you want to do is you want to come down here and search for CMD, right click on it and run as an administrator. Once you have this open box, what you want to do is type these commands individually. So first you want to type ipconfig /release, press enter, then the next one, press enter, then the next one, enter, then the next one, enter, and then the next one, enter. Once you've done all 5 of these, you should restart your PC and it should hopefully work after that. Now if it still doesn't work, what you can do is come down here, Windows Update, check if you have a Windows Update, click here. If you have one, just take it. After that you can come down here to Internet, right click, Open Network and Internet Settings, change Adapter Options, right click, Disable, right click, Enable. So you just disable and enable it real quick. After that, come here, Device Manager, come in here and look for your network. From in here you want to right click on your network, update the driver, and after that you want to right click Disable Device and then right click Enable Device. Now once you've done all of that, if it still doesn't work, the last thing you can try is search for Network Reset. So come in here, Network Reset and Reset Now. This will restart your PC and after that it should hopefully work. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.